just want love. I 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 just want.
At 1280, we good? We good with lighting?
We super
Alright,
good.
bow. It's another day. We're here in Miami at the apartment at VMG HQ. We got a shoot with 5 Star Fleet and Miway Films. We about to go film right now. Waiting for Miway to finish getting ready. He was taking a shower. We just got done with a crazy workout at DBC. If you guys seen on my TikTok and Instagram, you guys know I'm always posting that workout video. Actually, at this point, I should just become like a workout, fitness, motivational influencer guy. That's what I'm at this point. Just post my workout, motivational, show you guys my progress. Because this year, I'm actually sticking to my fitness goals. But I think Miway texted me, we out. Just kidding. Oh yeah, we still out. How what you think? We in the film crew shirts. Got the Sprayground bags, first class. Drink your water. Haven't eaten. I'm hungry. But weighed myself today. Ate some bread today, so it's still a little heavy, but you know, it's okay.
Just like Alex was saying, we're here at the BMG HQ. We're excited. We got a lot of content coming, and we're about to go work with this client. We've actually worked with them before. Am I right? Yeah. So we worked with them before, so we've done a couple of videos. They want some lifestyle stuff. So as you guys know, a lot of our work has been a lot of lifestyle. And, same thing with Alex. You know, we're on our fitness journey, and I'm shaking holding this camera right now, so I know I gotta put in more work. But you guys will see that all on Instagram. And I actually just heard about somebody feeling motivated by Alejandro's videos. So I hope you guys are feeling motivated too. It gets you up and it gets you moving.
Today we're gonna meet up with 5 Star Fleet, DJ Dynamic. We're gonna shoot some lifestyle video with a client. He's gonna be talking about his business. And we're gonna start in Brickell, Miami.
Move from there, right? A lot of us left it.
For my nigga, stop drinking, babe. Tequila down there hits me for liver. It's like the indica, it is sativa. Anytime that I smoke, this girl's been looking like wife materials. Is it this or that? If I seek, I find how I feel inside. I will let you know I am super high. I can feel my eyes. They say love is blind, but I can't see you. Oh yeah, the pantas, 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 the pantas. Holy Ghost fire, supernatural. What's my confidence? My cocaine, my heart is.
We need protein for real, for real. Where are we, Miway?
We're here in the Icon, about to meet up
Oh shit.
5 Star Fleet crew with Lewis, the driver. We were just waiting on the client.
Guys, these views are absolutely spectacular. This is why Miami is deadass one of the best views. Everywhere you go, there's just a different view. We got bikes crossing. Damn, Heb said earlier that he needs to go to the gym more because he was shaking. But to be honest, bro, this shit hurts. And we be training. Honestly, by next year, if we see the training with DBC,
We signing up for the NFL. At least something, bro. Like pro tennis or some shit. How's DVC today?
Yo, shout out to Booby Trap.
Shout out Booby Trap for Brandon. Nah, I'm just kidding.
No me creo para atrás todavía.
Five-star fleet.
No me creo para atrás todavía.
Ah, mira, poco.
Vamos,
Oh, nuevo violante.
¿Ah?
Nuevo violante. ¿Cómo está la cosa, bro?
Bien, bien.
I know that cause you give me you're my true lover, my mommy water, give me happiness.
Ah, virgen, pero...
We're back. Sometimes things don't always go as planned, so we're back here at BMG HQ. The shoot got canceled. The guy ended up coming late. He was at the Fort Lauderdale airport, and we were in downtown Miami, which is a good 45 minutes without traffic, and there was traffic, super amount of traffic. So he was actually gonna get there around 10:30, which is past the time he had rented the van for. So now, hopefully, we're gonna shoot that tomorrow. But we ended up just getting some food for the night, and now we're just back here. I'm gonna edit this vlog, and I'm just gonna edit some more content, and also, like I talked about earlier, I'm gonna find some products so I can start building on the store and do my product research. Hey, what do you gotta say?
Vibe.
We vibing. I need to add more things to the setup. Probably should add like a little back accent light. Nothing fake. Vibe.
At bien en man du même goût. I'm your and I had more.